That's 4 yards, but we need 10. I think I can put 8 in here. I don't know. We'll see. Look at that. We might not be able to put 8. But I just noticed that I have another nail. This tire is almost flat. Well, it's air, it's missing air. I just looked and it's got a nail in it. So, we might not be able to do it. I just saw the nail. Here it is. It's right there. Man. Okay, so I was not able to put 8. I only put 6 because the tire is getting flat. It has a nail, so we only put 6. Alright, so let me show you what we are doing. Alright, so we gotta put mulch all these beds right here. They're really dirty, so we are weed eating all this. We're gonna spray everything when we get done. All this bed. Right here. Mulch, vamos a poner mulch, red mulch. Over here, you see how dirty it is, man. We gotta clean that up first. Just here, that one from the corner to the flag this way. All this, we gotta rake all that trash. Clean up a little bit here. He already went with the weed eater. We gotta rake some of that, like here. File everything by that little curve, they'll pick it up. So yeah, it's a lot of work, guys. It's gonna take around 8 yards. I mean 10 yards, excuse me. 10 yardas de red mulch. Para eso. Aquí hay 6. Only 6. And that's why you alright. We finished. Well, we've been done with that beds. Ya están limpias. Oh, there's a lot of trash in here. We're already doing mulch down there. This is all the trash that came out. We also sprayed the beds for weeds. And it's taken. It's gonna look nice, man. Not that area, but just from here up that way. This little, and from there all the way up. Man, it's gonna look really nice. A ver bien cuando terminemos. Oh yeah. Alright, we're getting everything done, guys. Casi todo ya. Falta, todavía nos falta un poco. When we get done, we're gonna blow all that real nice. Tuck it in. Oh yeah, it's mulch day. Looking better, man. Ay, acabamos. We're done. Oh yes. Looks really good, man. Really nice. Took 11. I bought another one and it was just perfect. That's all the trash, toda la basura. Oh yeah, man. What do you guys think? looks freaking awesome, man. It's beautiful. So we're done with the yards, the mulch, red mulch. Estimated for 10, but it took 11. I bought an extra yard, guys. My feelings, it was like, maybe we need one more. So I did. I bought another one, and it was just perfect, guys. So yeah. As you saw, we cleaned the beds. They were really dirty, man, really dirty. The owner, the homeowners, kind of trim their shrubs and do their own, and they just leave everything there. But we got them all cleaned up, and then all the grass, we kind of burn it with the weed eater, like, you know, I don't know how to say it, just burn it, and then spray all the beds, and ground up, so that will kill everything. We always stay away from the shrubs, you know. But it'll turn out to be really nice, man. I enjoyed. He was happy. The owner was happy. That's the main thing. You want to keep customers happy, no matter what. So that was good. And let him know that you bought another extra, or whatever you do extra work. Make sure you tell him. Okay, tell him. But anyway, yeah, that's it for today, man. Eso fue todo por hoy. Any comments, just leave it down below, boy. We gotta keep hustling, keep working. Gotta do another estimate. We got more work coming. Right now is when you're booking everything. You start booking out all the jobs, man. Spring is today. Today's 21st, I think. Yeah, today's spring begins here today. So I don't know where you at when spring begins, but today here is spring. It begins. So anyway, alright guys, see you guys later. Later, man. Adios.